So ngayon guys, maglilibot tayo dito sa high school ng Dolores. Dito po sa high school. So, gagawin natin time lapse para madali lang. Wait a minute.
Tell them that you were mine. Feel that little bit of sunshine. It's all